If you're trying to remove Todoist from Gmail, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall the Todoist Gmail add-on so it no longer appears in that right-hand sidebar. This is useful if you installed it by mistake, no longer use it, or just want to clean up your inbox and remove extra integrations. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com, then sign into the Gmail account where Todoist is installed. Once your inbox loads, look at the right-hand side of the screen. If you see the Todoist logo inside a narrow sidebar on the right, that means you installed a Workspace add-on. Next, click the red Todoist icon to open the add-on panel. This will expand the Todoist sidebar so you can access its settings. In the top right corner of that narrow Todoist panel, click the three dots menu icon. This menu gives you options for managing the add-on instead of just using it. From the menu, select Manage Add-on. A marketplace window will appear showing details for the Todoist integration. Here, look for the Uninstall button. Click Uninstall, then confirm your choice when prompted. Once you confirm, Gmail will remove the Todoist add-on from your account. After that, refresh your inbox if needed, and the Todoist sidebar should disappear from the right side of Gmail. If you ever want to use it again later, you can reinstall it from the Google Workspace Marketplace. And that's it. You've successfully removed Todoist from Gmail. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.